and in today's tutorial, that happens to be the continuation of the course CSS246. And today we're talking about computer security. We've gone far in this course, quite a while now. Probably like 2 more classes. We should call it around for the course. All right. For those of us who are new to stream, let's go to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as well, all right, use the comment section to let us know where you're streaming from, or just say hi. Please do well too. Also, if you're yet to get our membership badge, please do well to get our membership badge. Just go to our home page here on YouTube and just use the join button. And you can pick from the options available. Attract a lot of bonuses, especially when we're doing our keynote towards revision time. With this being said, let's go straight into it. So we have CSS246, CSS246, and this is the course that I've been talking about security all along. And today we are going to be talking about computer security. Now, when we say computer security, don't forget this is a machine, electronic machine. Security itself, it's an act. All right, like we made mention several times, it's not a one-man business, it's everybody's business. Can we all hear me? Now, when we say computer security, it is said to be the protection. Please let's take note of this. It is said to be what? The protection of information. That's what it's all about. The protection of information and property from theft, okay, corruption, or natural disaster, while allowing the information and property to remain accessible and productive to its users. Perhaps I should remind us that this machine here, what is it used for? Okay, this machine is used for the receiving of information, processing of information, and giving out of information. Otherwise, as it's received and processed, you can as well save the information in it. So if you're not talking about security, which is the protection of life and property, here it's a property. All right. So everything that has to do with the processing, with the functioning of this electronic device is put under or is categorized or seen, or the responsibility of protecting it becomes a priority. So now let's put things together. Computer security is the protection of information and property from theft. Don't forget, this box or this electronic device here houses the information we are talking about. The responsibility of this device is to house the information, while the responsibility of this is to protect the information. Are we on the same page? Okay, so it's said to be the protection of information and property from theft. Okay, the protection of information and property from theft. All right. Now, theft, not just theft, corruption, all right, natural disaster as well as you are intentional and deliberate about protecting this electronic machine, you are also intentional and deliberate about ensuring that this electronic machine also serve its purpose. All right, no other purpose than, all right, to, okay, serve the user. Please, if you're on the stream and you're yet to smash like button, please do have to smash like button. It's very important. It's one of the ways you get to mark attendance here. And I can see the comment section. All right, please let's do to also use the comment section. Okay, just let us know where you're streaming from, or just say hi. Awesome. Good evening. I was wondering if you're not in class. Yeah, I just got that you were in class. Awesome. Now the term computer system, okay, I beg your pardon, the term computer security means the collective processes, all right, and mechanisms by which sensitive and vulnerable information and services are protected, all right, from tampering or collapse by unauthorized activity. That's the definition from Wikipedia. Now, one thing we need to get here is that this is seen as a collective processes, all right, and mechanism by which, we said something about this device storing information. So this information now is referred to as sensitive, all right? Okay, sensitive information, all right? Sensitive and valuable information. Sensitive information and valuable information being protected, all right, from publications, tampering, or collapse. Let's just put from danger. Let's just put that. Let's put everything together. From danger by, all right, from danger from unauthorized, all right, unauthorized, unauthorized, all right, let's just abbreviate that. Unauthorized, I think I should put that here. Unauthorized users. Now that we have a basic understanding of what it means by computer security, now let's go into details of things. So I might be doing less of writing now, so we can move at a fast pace because we have a lot to cover in a short time. And I wouldn't want us to take forever. Okay. Now, let's continue. Okay. Just a moment. The major technical areas of computer security are represented by what we call CIA. All right, CIA is an abbreviation for confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. All right, CIA is an abbreviation okay. That was the thing from the network. I think we are back now. CIA is an abbreviation for confidentiality, integrity, and authentication or availability. Confidentiality, all right? We have integrity. We have integrity, all right? And we have authorization, or we have availability. All right. Okay, it's not authority, it's not authorization, it's called authentication. All right, that's the word, authentication. We have that as that. Now, when we say confidentiality, it means that information cannot be accessed by unauthorized party. Then we say integrity. It means that information is protected against unauthorized changes, all right, or unauthorized users. Then we talk about authentication, all right, means that users who, all right, are who they claim to be, authentications. Users are who they claim to be. So we have that as that. And there are some abbreviations here we need to pay attention to. We have the likes of LAN, which is Land Area Network, I beg your pardon, Local Area Network. All right. We also have WLANS, that is the Wireless Local Area Network. And we have the WAN, which is the Wide Area Network. So we have that as that. Now, perhaps you might be wondering, why do we need to talk about computer security? Why is it necessary? Now, the reason why this is necessary is because computer security does not only protect computers and information from some type of theft, but it also deals with the natural disasters like flood, fire, all right, accidents, and so on. It as well protects the company's interest services from hackers. It as well secures theft of proprietary information, all right, theft from proprietary information, insider, abuse of computing system, the sabotage of networks and the likes, and as well fraud. Now, one thing you need to understand is that there are methods for computer crime, all right, which some computer security is out there to stand against. Greetings, sir. I am a mathematics, all right, and computer science student, 100 level first semester. I don't need to take my courses. Okay, sure, we do take your courses, all right, but we don't have tutors specialized for you. Is that we take your general courses at that time being. Now reach out to me on our official website www.tutorial.net, where we can talk better. I think we are thinking about just all your GSTs. I think you're doing bio. Just send me a list of the rest of our courses. All right. We are working something we are working towards getting tutors that can help take pure sciences, all right, and sciences courses. All right. So what we do basically for now, I do personally social sciences and all right, management science and other and arts. Okay. So just do it, reach out to me. At least we should be able to help you with some of your courses, if not all. And you're welcome to also stay around. Let's continue. We have, but I'm waiting for you to delete that message because I realized you later deleted the message. So now there are methods to crime, all right, to computer crime, all right. So what are these crimes that the computer security is out there to protect the computer from? Now we have what we call data manipulation or data theft. Now anyone associated with or having access to a data on the computer can change the data, all right? And changing of data during or after operation in a computing system or a computer system is the simplest, right, safest and common method of committing, all right, computer crime, data manipulation when data is being changed. We also have what we call the salami technique. Now, the salami technique, all right, is said to be a descriptive term that implies trimming off of some amount of money from any sources, all right, and diverting this, all right, slices into one's own or accomplished, all right, or compliant account, all right, taking some money from the information you have and using the information that you have and to get rid of people's money, to get to stream to take money from people, all right, in a very corny way is one of the things we're talking about. That is the salami technique. Okay, so we also need to pay attention to computer security because of hacking. I made mention of this earlier. Hacking is something that is very, very dangerous and it's out there. So you also have to protect your computer. All right, we also have what we call you need to protect your computer against worms. All right, you need to protect your computer. You might be wondering, worms. What do you mean by worms? Now, what you need to understand is that both worms and viruses have replication mechanism, all right, activation mechanism and objective. Now, I want you to know that worms take over computer memory and deny its user to legitimate program, all right. Worms take over, all right, just like virus are malicious files to your program or to your computer. Worms are also danger, all right, to your computer, but they are intentional, they are intended about corrupting your computer memory. Okay, now we also have Trojan. All right, we have Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a little bit different in the sense that the destructive program that masquerade as a, all right, beginning application. Now, Trojan horse is said to be a destructive program that does what? Masquerade as a beginning what? Application. Now, the software initially appeared to perform a desirable function for the user prior to the installation, execution, but steals information or harms the system. Now, unlike viruses and worms, Trojan horses do not replicate themselves, but they are destructive. So we have that as that. Okay. With more, I think with 2 more classes, we'll call it wrap for the course. So let's just stop here for today. And in our next class, talk about computer system protection. Thanks very much, everyone. I believe you'll be able to gain something in this class. Please do well to keep your notes updated and submit them to the appropriate courses. Do have a wonderful evening and bye for now.